Did you know that the baking soda in your kitchen could be your secret weapon against heartburn and fatigue? Imagine feeling energized and pain-free, all thanks to this unassuming powder. Stick around as we uncover the unbelievable health benefits of baking soda that you never knew existed. Alright, let's be honest. Baking soda is that box sitting in the back of your fridge, probably absorbing weird odors while waiting for its big break. But what if I told you it's actually a multitasking miracle worker? This humble white powder isn't just for baking cookies or scrubbing your sink, it's basically a tiny superhero for your health. Let's dive into the wild and wonderful ways baking soda can change your life. Heartburn? Acid reflux? That oh-not-so-lovely burning sensation after eating too much pizza? Say hello to baking soda, your new best friend. A tiny half teaspoon mixed with water can neutralize stomach acid faster than you can say pass the antacids. It's cheap, effective, and doesn't come with a long list of side effects, unless you overdo it, in which case, hello sodium overload. Moderation, my friend, is key. You know those fancy toothpaste commercials that promise pearly whites? Guess what? Baking soda does the same thing, minus the hefty price tag. Its gentle abrasiveness scrubs away stains from coffee, tea, and that questionable red wine you love. Plus, it balances mouth pH, making life harder for cavity-causing bacteria. Just don't go full sandpaper mode. Overuse can wear down enamel, and no one wants that. Athletes, listen up! If you've ever felt your muscles burning mid-workout and wished for an instant endurance boost, baking soda might be your secret weapon. It helps buffer lactic acid buildup, meaning you can push through that last set like a champ. Just a teaspoon in water before a workout could help. But warning, too much and you'll be sprinting to the bathroom instead of the finish line. Bug bites, rashes, sunburn, baking soda to the rescue. A simple paste of baking soda and water can calm itchiness, reduce swelling, and make you forget that mosquito who used you as a midnight snack. Feeling fancy? Add some to your bath for an all-over skin reset. Your skin will thank you. Your kidneys work hard filtering out the junk in your body. Baking soda helps by balancing blood acidity, which can be especially helpful for those with kidney disease. Of course, if you're dealing with serious kidney issues, don't just chug a baking soda smoothie. Talk to your doctor first. Responsible baking soda use only, folks. Thinking of doing a detox? Before you drop big bucks on some trendy cleanse, try a baking soda bath. It helps draw out toxins, soothes muscle soreness, and makes you feel refreshed. Like a spa day, but without the overpriced cucumber water. Your body loves balance, and too much acidity can cause all sorts of problems, from fatigue to inflammation. Baking soda, being alkaline, helps keep things in check. A little in water can help neutralize excess acid, but let's not turn this into a daily chug fest. Too much can throw off your sodium levels, and nobody wants that. Sick of deodorants with mystery chemicals? Baking soda neutralizes odors like a pro. Just pat a little under your arms or mix it with coconut oil for a DIY deodorant. It won't stop you from sweating, but it will stop you from smelling like a gym bag. Win-win. Gout sufferers, take note. Since gout is caused by excess uric acid, baking soda helps neutralize it, potentially preventing painful flare-ups. But again, moderation. Consult your doctor before you start using it as your go-to gout cure. Feeling stuffy? Baking soda can help clear your sinuses, soothe a sore throat, and even help loosen mucus. A simple gargle or nasal rinse with baking soda and water can bring some much-needed relief when you're feeling under the weather. Who knew that this tiny, overlooked kitchen staple could be such a game-changer? From easing heartburn to boosting workouts, whitening teeth, and even supporting kidney health, baking soda is basically a one-stop shop for natural remedies. Just remember, use it wisely and in moderation. If you found this video helpful or just mildly entertaining, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs a baking soda intervention, and hit that subscribe button for more fun and useful health tips. See you in the next video, and until then, keep your baking soda close and your health even closer.